Hello, this is Ken Robinson, Market Development Manager for Baumer HHS in North America. Today I'm going to show you a CorrBox video. This is our new system for the Flexo Folder Gluer. It's going on a brand new machine, and in this case, the customer is so impressed with the value, performance, and flexibility of the system that they ordered a second system immediately following. They have a lot more going on here with a new plant expansion and a lot of equipment, so stay tuned. I think there's a lot here to see. It's a beautiful morning in Tioga, Pennsylvania. We're here at the site of TYOGA Container. It's undergoing a pretty significant plant expansion, and they're doing some very cool things inside. Let's take a look. We're standing on the Tioga Meridian line right now. This plant has grown. This is the original side. Everything to the left is brand new. This plant has grown from 136,000 square feet to 246,000 square feet. Let's begin with a massive Mabox Rotary Die Cutter. This is a 66 by 126 inch RDC that can produce at a rate of up to 10,500 sheets per hour. This 4-color RDC includes 3 colors outside and 1 color inside for that extra presentation punch. It also includes GB dryers. Now let's transition to the latest machine to arrive at Tioga, the CorrBox 38-inch 4-color Flexo Folder Gluer. This represents the first in North America to be equipped with the new CorrBox glue and inspection system by Baumer HHS, and will soon be accompanied by a little brother, a 28-inch 4-color CorrBox Flexo Folder Gluer, also kitted with the same CorrBox glue and inspection system from Baumer HHS. This screen represents a new technology in the arena of quality control. What you see is an accurate graphical representation of every single box, qualifying the glue is applied correctly. The new PGD hybrid detection works equally well on all boxes, including preprint, and works without UV or any external lighting. All functions are contained within one cabinet and displayed on one touchscreen. We are just finalizing setup on the next job. As expected, the very first box is a good and sellable box, as seen by the 3 green lines. Switching to the True View screen, we can see the detail of how the glue is applied on this first box. This very short job has just completed. We finished this run with 298 boxes and just 1 defect. Of course, detailed data for the complete job may be reviewed and downloaded. The old days of pulling an occasional box for quality check will not cut it in today's market. This is what your operator sees. Maybe a gross defect will stand out. This is what your glue inspection sees. Every single box is qualified to meet the standards of both you and your most critical customers. This is a very small box with a finished bundle measuring less than 12 by 12 inches. These small bundles can be unstable and difficult to handle. The Mosca SQ4 is doing a fine job of squaring and strapping these small top-heavy bundles. And the Alliance transfer conveyor is increasing efficiency by pre-staging the small bundles before reaching the load former. An extra hand by this tireless helper adds another element of efficiency to the end of the line and takes one more burden off the employee. The finished load shows just how small this tiny sample box is compared to the pallet. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and always remember, these investments include the people that run this equipment and this plant.